subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand Iqoo has launched its new smartphone under U series in China called Iqoo U3x with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Iqoo U3x supports a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the Iqoo U3x features a dual camera setup on the rear in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The dual ray camera includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. And on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Origin OS skin on top. For gaming, the company has added Multi-Turbo 5.0 feature, and it also comes with liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.15 by 75.35 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 185.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Iqoo U3x has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1199 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 64GB storage model is also priced at 1199 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in grey and magic blue color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from April 1st. So what do you guys think of this Iqoo U3x smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.